Welcome to Dr. Imran's Official. In today's video we will talk about inner ear anatomy. The inner ear is a complex and crucial part of the auditory and vestibular systems. Its main components include cochlea. This spiral-shaped, fluid-filled structure is responsible for hearing. It contains sensory hair cells that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals sent to the brain. Vestibular system. This includes the semicircular canals and the vestibule. It helps maintain balance and spatial orientation. Semicircular canals. Three fluid-filled tubes oriented in different planes that detect rotational head movements. Vestibule. It contains the utricle and saccule, which detect linear acceleration and the position of the head with respect to gravity. Auditory nerve. The cochlear nerve carries auditory information from the cochlea to the brain, allowing us to perceive sound. Oval window and round window. These are membrane-covered openings that connect the middle ear to the inner ear and help transmit sound vibrations. The inner ear plays a vital role in our ability to hear and maintain balance.